Meditation is a practice that has been around for thousands of years, originating in ancient cultures as a way to connect with the mind and spirit. Imagine it as a mental workout similar to how we exercise our bodies. Just as we lift weights to strengthen our muscles, meditation helps us strengthen our minds, promoting clarity and focus. The benefits of meditation are vast. For the mind, it enhances concentration and reduces stress. Picture your thoughts as a busy highway. Meditation acts like a traffic light, helping to slow things down. For the body, studies show that regular meditation can lower blood pressure and improve sleep quality. It's like giving your body a gentle reset. Emotionally, meditation fosters resilience, allowing us to navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease, much like a sturdy tree bending in the wind without breaking. There are several main types of meditation. Mindfulness meditation encourages us to be present, focusing on our breath and sensations. Think of it as tuning into your favorite song, where every note matters. Loving kindness meditation, on the other hand, involves sending goodwill to ourselves and others, like casting a warm blanket of compassion. Then there's transcendental meditation, which uses mantras to help quiet the mind, similar to how a soothing lullaby can ease a restless child to sleep. Preparing for meditation is essential. First, create a dedicated space that feels calming, perhaps a corner of your room with soft lighting and cushions. Next, find a comfortable posture. You can sit cross-legged or in a chair, with your feet flat on the ground. Imagine your spine as a tall tree, rooted, yet flexible. Breathing is crucial. Take deep, slow breaths, filling your belly like a balloon. This sets the stage for a peaceful experience. Now let's dive into a simple 10-minute beginner session. Start by sitting comfortably and closing your eyes. Begin with a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Focus on your breath, noticing the rise and fall of your chest. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath. Continue this for about 5 minutes. Next, shift your focus to your body, scanning from head to toe, noticing any tension. Finally, spend the last few minutes sending thoughts of kindness to yourself and others. This practice can leave you feeling refreshed and centered. Common challenges include a wandering mind or discomfort in your posture. If your thoughts drift, don't be hard on yourself. It's part of the process. Gently bring your focus back to your breath. If you feel discomfort, adjust your position or try lying down. It's about finding what works for you. For daily practice, consistency is key. Start with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increase. Consider setting a specific time, like first thing in the morning or right before bed. You might also use guided meditations available online to help you stay on track. Lastly, let's address some myths. One common misconception is that you need to clear your mind completely. In reality, it's normal for thoughts to arise. The goal is to observe them without judgment. Another myth is that meditation requires a lot of time. Even a few minutes can be beneficial. Remember, meditation is a personal journey, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. Embrace the process, and you'll discover the peace and clarity that meditation can bring into your life.